Hey guys, it's me, Fred Gaming, back with another video. And today I'm playing a game that I will probably regret playing for the rest of my life. And this game is Five Nights at Freddy's Ultimate Custom Night. Yeah, you heard it. When Five Nights at Freddy's 1 came out, I played this up to the second night because you don't get jump scared on the first night. Played up to the second night, got jump scared by Bonnie, and then I had nightmares ever since. And so I've never really been attached to this game, but so many people are playing it. This is a pretty popular game, so I guess I'm gonna have to play it. So I've played this game before, as you can see. My high score is 1,000. Man, that was a lot of audio. I just clicked on the screen. Okay. So I am gonna start with the phone guy at 20. I'll chip at 20. This is easy. Funtime Chica is 20. Rockstar Foxy at 20. Trash in the Gang at 20. Helpy at 20. I'm just putting all the easy characters. Old Man Consequences at 20. Phantom Mangle. Disable my flashlight, that's fine. Door controls, that's okay. I'm gonna try to get 2,000 on this. Yeah, I'm not sure how hard it's gonna be. It's probably gonna be really hard. I've played this game just a tiny bit, so I have a bit of experience. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm honestly really freaked out. None of these characters can kill me. First of all, turn off my fan. Oh, and there's this really annoying character called Dee Dee. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of her. It's just really... Oh no, I hate that guy. I can never catch the fish. Mute call. Ah. Just let me catch your fish. I can't see anything. I caught the fish though. Gotta get Helpy. Caught the fish. Oh. I hate like horror games. I still play this game quite a bit. I got it yesterday, I think. I hate Balloon Boy. Okay, I'm sorry. Gotta click on Helpy. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha, yeah, very funny, Balloon Boy. I'm scared of you, Balloon Boy. Like your weird laugh, and also that JJ character. Where's Trash in the Gang? Oh, it's 2 a.m. And I still have 90% power. Will I get 2,000 and get that new office? No, Funtime Chica. Oh, bye, JJ. I'm pressing C. Gotta click on Helpy. Oh, it's 3 a.m. Bye, Balloon Boy. Breathe, Freddy, breathe, breathe, just breathe. Just breathe. Bye, Balloon Boy. Oh no. The most important thing is resetting the ventilation. Because I don't want everything to go dark. Click Helpy. BB's not there. Oh no. Okay, then. Well, it's 4 a.m. Ooh, I just need to survive for 20 more seconds. 20 more seconds, come on. 15 more seconds. Reset the ventilation. Catch that. Get Helpy and the phone guy at the same time. I did it! I got 2,000 points!